Trading, new trading notification. Okay. Oh my goodness, I still sleeping. Still sleeping, and this thing go off. This will be MES. I'm pretty sure that is the MES. This kind of alarm come from the MES. Long. How many? 4. 4 MES.
Order filled.
Okay. Let's see. Entry 7677. Okay, the difference is almost nothing. Based on the alarm, I'm supposed to get in at 7,677.75. 50 cents different, which means that is nothing. One more time. MES. Trading notification. Now what? Yes, I ain't ready. Probably wants me to get in again with 4 more contracts. Hmm. 200 divided by 500 is 4. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm still sleeping. Oh, this trade is gonna kill me. Okay, what have happened? The alarm went off. The alarm of my bot went off and told me to put the stop loss in this long position. So long. Seven six six 825. Okay, perfect. The stop should be at 766,825. That is what the stop loss supposed to be. And the take profit 7703. 25. Okay, there is where the take profit supposed to be. Let's double check everything. MES. Yes, I am in the MES. Long entry fill. Limit update. Seven six. Yeah, I enter 50 cents. 50 cents above, which is no bad. No big deal. Losing the profit of 50 cents. Now the stop is 766. Stop 766,825. Yeah, everything look. The risk to reward is 1 to 2.73. When I do trading, the minimum risk to reward is 1 to 1.5. This trade will give me 1 to 2.75, which is amazing. Okay, this is good. Now let's just wait. And the last time that I'm going to check, the target is 7703.25. The risk is $200. The reward will be 200 times 2.73. Okay, I'm risking $200 to make $500. I'm happy with this. Please update the manual limit order with the exact level above. Okay, everything look good here. Uh, mm, li- liquidate. I remember liquidate only. Okay, they got stuff there that I don't want. Visible. Alright, I don't want you there. Safe. Perfect. Liquidate only level. I don't know because here I need the dollar open, dollar total, net. Well, let me remove this one too. Liquidate only level. Yeah, that's it. This is enough. This information is enough. Here the important are these two, this one, and these two are basically the same thing. The rest, I think that I don't look at them. This is important. Drawdown, auto. Yeah. Is this number minus this number give us this number maybe? Yeah, probably. Okay, here we are. This is the source of the information. Trading view. Here's where the bot live. Asian rain, V1, long. Yeah, this is the bot. This one in the left. At 9:30, this other bot, the Nasdaq, will give me an entrance. I will record that one too. This bot number 6, this one in the right hand side, is new. This one is bot number 1. This one is, well, all the first one. This is the Pine script, the beating heart of the whole strategy. And these are the alarms. Right now I have 2 bots. I used to have 6 of them. Out of those 6, 4 have been retired because they didn't have enough backtesting data. I have to redo the back testing, and they turn out be not profitable like this one. This bot is very profitable, 50%. And out of that 50%, always this bot give more than 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. What happened with this bot is that it give entry no frequency. Last week it was only one trade, and was it turned out be loss was this one. And this is the only trade from last week, and I lost $200. This is the one that we are in right now. But generally speaking, this bot is amazing. This bot is amazing. I'm telling you, if I sell my bot, I will sell it for $500. And for example, $500, one trade will be enough to make $500 out of this bot. I think that is a fair price. Sell it for 500. Let's see. Let's prove it. Let's prove it with a profit of $500 today. I hope. Last week wasn't good for me. The the previous week I make around $700, 750. And that was, let's say, the first week. In the second week I lost around $450. And right now this is where I am. I have to keep working. Got more work to do here with ChatGPT. I got more strategy to research. It's difficult to find a good strategy to build a bot. It's very difficult. The creation of the bot, the buying script is not the difficult thing. The AI make the buying script. The difficult thing is find the strategy. And well, the back testing is a little tedious, a little work that I have to do. The AI cannot do it for me. Actually, I have to do it for the AI. I do it in order to give the data to the AI. It's a little tedious, little work, the back testing. But the research part, the part for finding the strategy for the bot, is so insane difficult. I'll be right back. Okay, the market doesn't want to cooperate with us. Let's see. It it have been so difficult to find strategy to make the suitable and usable for the bot and find enough data to back up the strategy that I have had to open the range, the criteria, and the way that I process the information, backtest the strategy, etc., in order to have more choices, more options, because I don't find. Well, in the meanwhile, as we wait for this thing, I will keep working with the AI to get more ideas, to build more bots. Then that way, I'm not wasting time just looking at the graph and waiting for the price to reach the take profit of the stop loss.
I reviewed both reports. They moved us forward, but one important correction changes what we should do with the FVG candidate. 1. Fresh FVG immediate refill, still B. But Claude needs one correction pass. Claude classified the full AMA's strategy C in the narrow immediate refill behavior B, recommending one frozen diagnostic. I agree with that broad classification. However, Claude began its report saying it did not have the AMA's transcript. That matters because I searched our project files and found the actual transcript. We therefore have more primary practitioner specification than Claude realized. The transcript directly supports several important pieces. Amos describes himself as a scalper holding trades roughly 5 to 10 minutes and emphasizes roughly 1 to 1 R. For the bullish example, the second candle moving above the first candle's high is what he calls displacement. He explicitly says the third candle's close relative to candle 2 is the important entry confirmation information. After a bullish FVG, he wants the new candle to fail to sustain above the prior high and close back within candle 2's range. His interpretation is that responsive sellers entered and a pullback should occur quickly. He explicitly describes bullish gap right pointing arrow looking to short toward the gap, and the mirror idea for a bearish gap. His full execution then becomes discretionary. Order block, breaker block, FVG entry, inversion FVG, lower timeframe structure, and optional SMT. So the narrow hypothesis is actually better grounded in the transcript than Claude thought. But I would not run Claude's exact diagnostic, yet Claude inserted this rule. Displacement is greater than or equal to 1.5 times median TR20. That parameter came from another reported FVG test, not from Amos. That violates what we're trying to accomplish if we present it as the Amos hypothesis. It may eventually be useful as an externally motivated robustness condition, but it should not silently enter the primary event definition. Therefore, Amos full system right pointing arrow C fresh FVG immediate refill mechanism right pointing arrow B active measurement candidate no pine yet until Claude reruns part 1 with the transcript.
What is going on here? Give Cloud the original Amos transcript on this prompt. Oh my goodness. Amos. Come on, you two. It's naming a strategy under the name of Amos, and I don't have that strategy under that name. This AI is driving me crazy. It's not necessary to do this. No, I don't want to do this. Okay, this can be up. Amos. I need to find a document called Amos. Amos. I don't find any transcript under the name of Amas. Give me the whole real original name of that transcript. And also, every time that you want me to give some other information beside the prompt to any AI, you need to tell me. If no, I will give only the prompt. Oh my goodness, GPT, you are driving me crazy. I don't find any transcript under the name of Mas. Give me the whole reel.
Stop field.
Trading notification, trading notification, trading notification, trading notification, trading view, trading notification, trading notification, trading notification. Okay. Long stop, fail. Okay, well, this is the notification. I lost $200. Okay, guys, this is the end of the trade. That is how a trade ends. This is what we got. That's it. The strategy still profitable. 40% and $800. The bad thing is that we have two consecutive $200 loss. No more research needed. This strategy eventually we have to back test it 100 day. I haven't done that part of the work. I would do it eventually if it stopped working because I don't have time building new bots. All right, that's it. See you next time at 9:30. There will be another entry of another strategy.